Hello second graders, today we are going to do a quick experiment for writing because we are learning in our new writing unit how to write like a scientist. We're going to start our day by doing the experiment. For the experiment, I need a car, 2 different color sticky notes, a clipboard, and a cup. If you have these things at home and would like to do the experiment with me, you can. If you don't, that's okay, you can just watch with me. All right, so our question that we're trying to answer is, will this car go farther if we roll it down the ramp or if we just roll it across the floor on the carpet? I want you to go ahead and think about which one do you think will make it go farther? Will it go farther going down the ramp or going across the carpet? Let me show you the ramp I've set up. So over here, give me 1 second to get this. So here's the ramp that I have set up. I want you to go ahead and quickly make a guess. Will the car go further if I let it go down the ramp or if I just lightly tap it across the carpet? Go ahead and make your guess. Okay, our first part of the experiment is we're first going to try rolling it down the ramp, and then I'm going to use one of my yellow sticky notes to mark where it ended. Here we go, I'm starting at the top of the ramp, and let's see how far the car goes. Okay, so the car, it started from here, and then it stopped right here. So I'm going to use the not sticky part of my sticky note to mark where my car ended up. And now I'm going to roll the car from about the same place, from sort of the same place, beginning of the ramp, but on the floor. And this time I'm going to see if the car will go far across the carpet. Let's see how it goes. Oh, let me try that again. Okay. I'll mark again with the not sticky part of my sticky note where the car ended up. And I'm going to try this experiment one more time to make sure that I did this correctly and that I didn't make any mistakes in my experiment. Here we go, starting from the ramp. Okay, the car went a little bit further, marking with the yellow sticky note where it went off the ramp. Now, I'm just gonna tap it lightly across the carpet. Here we go. Didn't go very far across the carpet. To mark it where it ended on the carpet.